Hey guys, it's JJC. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're already a subscriber. Welcome to Dance with JJC. This is my dance tutorial series where you get to learn some dance moves. Alright? Okay, so don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click that notification bell to know when I upload new videos. So today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to zip it up. So if you're interested in that, definitely stick around. So before anything else, I kind of like to give like the look, the breakdown. But a lot of the times, like, I have a lot of things that like are older that you might not be able to find, but hopefully you could get something like similar if you like my style, and then, you know, kind of pull it together like in your own kind of way. So accessories, bracelet, earrings are pretty old. Got these earrings from a beauty store. This I got from like you know, like those cheap variety stores that have like every knickknack you could think of. Yeah, so I got this there. This top was actually from a Winners about a couple of years ago. These jogging pants I did get recently, and they're by a brand I believe says Fly Guy. There's like, it says Fly Guy there. I've never heard of this brand or anything at all. I picked it up at, I believe, a Urban Planet store. Urban Planet. They're really nice and thick material, got nice pockets. It's got like this bungee cord inspired drawstring. I really like little details like that. On the side, it's got a wide red stripe, and on the other side, it's got a blue wide stripe. And then I also like the color blocking, you know, the blue, yellow with the red there. It's giving me kind of like nautical vibes, like Nautica back in the 90s, right? And then on my feet here are my yellow Reeboks. Super comfy, super lightweight. And yeah, so that's my look, y'all. Okay, so this is also going to be using your full body. Like on my videos, on my dance videos, if you're new, I usually tell you guys to warm up, warm up, warm up. But a little disclaimer is, if it's hurting too much, if it's cracking, if it's like so painful, please stop. I'm not a professional licensed doctor or anything, so I don't want you hurting yourself from attempting to do this move at all. So please use your discretion. Do the warm-up and the moves to however you are comfortable, right? But most of all, have fun. Okay, so I'm just stretching my inner thigh there. Okay, this kind of stretch, you can see. So here, then I turn my hands facing, palms facing, and stretch it up. Shoulder. This one here. And if you guys already have a warm-up stretching routine, by all means do it. If you need stretching, if you already stretched earlier or whatever, you can just jump right in to learning the moves. Okay, then I like to do jumping jacks. Do something else. Okay. There you have it. That's the warm-up. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to show you guys how to do a zip it up. Let me try and break it down for you guys. So let's just focus on the footwork right now. All right, so it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. right? And it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're kind of doing like for the last two, you're kind of doing like a little quick one. All right, so right, left, double, double. Okay, and then you kind of move your hip with it. So for my left side, you're gonna go left, right, double, double. Okay, you see how my body kind of turns for those last two? So let's try that again. So it's going left, right, and hit, hit. Okay, so my body kind of turns. For the other side, it's gonna go right, left, hit, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So your hands can be, focus on the hands is, you could have it here, 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 even in the front of you. Okay, you could do that. Those variations are totally fine. So whatever feels comfortable. Suppose you have a bad shoulder, then leave it down here. So there you have it, you guys, a simplified version of a zip it up. And if you want to see the little more advanced version or how I do it naturally, then stay tuned. Okay guys, so how I would do the zip it up, it's a little more advanced. That one I feel like is a little more simplified, but it's just a little more advanced in the footwork of how I would do it. So whatever my hands would be here or here, it doesn't matter. I can keep it down here actually. So I'm gonna go right, left. Okay, so if you see what I did, I just basically twisted that foot. Okay, so the simplified version will look like this. Left, right. So you see how I did the little jump? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I feel like that's the simplified version. The little more advanced version of like, this is how I would do it, is like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then I would go 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's barely for the double. I still do the double step, but instead of the little jump, I actually just slide my foot. Okay, so don't forget to lift up your legs and move those hips with it. Okay, right, left, right. Hey. Okay, so that's my little advanced version. Alright you guys, so there you have it. You just learned how to zip it up. So if you guys had fun doing it, if you learned something, then definitely comment, like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and till then, I'll see you on the next one. See you on the next one. I'll see you on the next one. It's your girl JJC. Toodles.